Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard third term contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. You will be benefited. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.1 decimal related sums. Round each of the following decimals to the nearest whole number. Given question 8.71. Here underline the digit to be rounded 8. So you underline it. After you see the digit next to the underlined digit right side. So that is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you add 1 to the underlined digit. So add 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore the whole number is 9. Next question 26.01. So here underline digit 6. The underlined digit next to the underlined digit what? 0. 0 is less than 5. Therefore the underlined digit 6 remains the same only. Therefore the whole number is 26. $69.48. So here underline digit 9. So here you see the next to the underline digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. Therefore the underline digit 9 remains the same. Therefore the whole number 69.48 rounds to 69. Next question 103.72. So underline digit is 3. The next to the underline digit is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So you can add plus 1 to the underline digit. So 3 plus 1, 4. So the rounded number is, whole number is 104. Next question 49.84. So here the underline digit is 9. The next to the underline digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5 means add 1 to the underline digit. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 49 plus 1, 50. So the rounded number is 50. Next 101.35. Here the underline digit is 1. The next to the underline digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. Therefore the underline digit remains the same. Therefore, the nearest whole number 101.35 rounds to 101. Next question 39.814. Underline digit is 9. The next to the underline digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the underline digit. So 39 plus 1, 40. 40 is the rounded whole number. Next 1.23. 1 is the underline digit because that is the whole number 1. So the next to the underline digit is 2. 2 less than 5. Therefore the underline digit remains the same. The nearest whole number 1.23 rounds to 1. Next, round each decimal number to the given place value. Question 5.992 to 10th place. So, for that point, decimal point after the digit is 10th. Next, 100th, 1000th. So, we have to round the decimal number in 10th place. Therefore, first you underlined the 10th place digit. Here 9. First 9. So, 9 is greater than 5. Next to the underlined digit is what? 9 also. So 9 is greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. Therefore 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore the rounded number is 6.0. Next one 21.805 to 100th place. Here 10th place 8. 0 is 100th place and 5 is 1000th place. So 0 underlined digit. The next to the underlined digit is what? Right side 5. 5 is equal to 5. So you can add 1 to the before underlined digit. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 21.81 is the rounded number. Next, 35.0014 to thousandth place. Here thousandth place is 1. Therefore, you underline the digit. The next to the underlined digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. Therefore, the underlined digit remains the same. Therefore, the rounded number is 35.001. Next, round the following decimal numbers up to 1 places of decimal. Here, given 123.37. Here up to 1 places of decimal means we have to first underline the 10th digit. So here 10th digit is 3. So the underlined digit is 3. The next to the underlined digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. Therefore 3 plus 1 4. Therefore 123.37 up to 1 places of decimal is 123.4. Next question. 19.99. Here 10th place 9. The underlined digit is 9. The next to the underlined digit is 9 greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. So 9 plus 1 10, carry over 1, 19 plus 1 20. Therefore the answer is 20.0. Next, 910.546. Here the underlined digit 10th place, 1 places of decimal. So 10th place is 5. That is underlined digit. The next to the underlined digit is 4. 4 less than 5. Therefore the underlined digit remains the same. Therefore the answer is 910.5. Next, round the following decimal numbers up to 2 places of decimal. 2 places means we will concentrate only the 100th place. Here 100th place is 5, 87.755. So 10th is 7 and 100th is 7. So you underline the digit 5. The next to the underlined digit right side is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. So 5 plus 1 6. Therefore the answer is 87.76. Next, 301.513. Here 100th place is 1. Underlined it. The next to the underlined digit right side is 3. 3 less than 5. Therefore the underlined digit remains the same. Therefore the answer is 301.51. Next, 79.997. So 10th place is 9 and 100th place is 9. So you underlined 100th place. The next to the underlined digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. So 9 plus 1 10. 0 carry over 9 plus 1 10. 7 and carry over 1. 79 plus 1 80. Therefore the answer is 80.00. 2 places of decimal. Next, round the following decimal numbers up to 3 places of decimal. So 24.4003. 3 places means 1000th place. Here 1000th place is 0. You underlined it. The next to the underlined digit right side is 3. 3 less than 5. Therefore the underlined digit remains the same. Therefore the 3 places of decimal of this question answer 24.400. Next one, 1251, that is whole number 0.2345. So here 1000th place is 4. You underlined it. The next to the underlined digit right side 5. 5 equal to 5. So you can add 1 to the underlined digit. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore the answer is 3 places of decimal 1251.235. Next, 61.00203. Here 1000th place is 2. Underline it. The next to the underlined digit is 0, 0 less than 5. So the underlined digit remains the same. Therefore, the answer is 61.002. Okay, students, we will see. First, you revise it in this exercise. We will see in the next class.